Imagine this. You're running an in-person conference or trade show. You need a floor plan that helps your attendees navigate the event easily, but also enables exhibitors to buy booths on their own. How do you do this? Introducing vFairs Floor Plan Builder. With vFairs, you can create a digital floor plan, an interactive virtual representation of your event space. This is so much better than dealing with those clunky PDFs or static image maps. Why? It shows attendees relevant exhibitor information by simply clicking or tapping on the various spaces and tells them how to get there. On the other hand, it enables exhibitors before the event to instantly view the availability of booths, prices, their sizes, and layouts. Exhibitors can then add booths to their cart and purchase them. In other words, you sell booths while you sleep. Moreover, these floor maps are fully brandable and customizable. And unlike static PDFs, as soon as you make a change, it's reflected instantly across your event app and the virtual event platform. You don't have to deal with multiple file versions of your floor map floating around. So, how do you create one? Super easy. Here's how. Log into your vFairs dashboard, then activate the Enable Venue Builder toggle from Event Settings. Find the Floor Plan option in the left-hand menu, click Add Floor Plan to start a new design, and then simply use the tools to add elements, adjust sizes, and modify colors. That's it. With the Floor Plan Builder, you can craft custom layouts with drag-and-drop ease and add branding elements. You make a change in one place, and the floor maps in your web and mobile event apps get updated in real time. No more headaches with complex design software or outsourcing to expensive agencies. Ready to design your event's floor map? Contact us at sales@vfairs.com. Thank you for watching.